to solve a compound interest problem, and the first thing I want to point out is that you need to read these carefully because some of these questions are still compounded annually, which is a formula we have already looked at, and it is a simpler version of the formula I'm going to give you now. For compound interest, where we compound more than annually, we have that A of t, or the amount after time t, is equal to the principal, or the initial amount, that could be A naught as well, and then 1 plus the rate over the number of times compounded. So for semi-annually at 16.5% interest, I'm actually getting 8.25% every half year. And then this is n times t, or the number of times we will compound over a given time. So you need to know that semi-annual means, let me put a colon there, that n is equal to 2, and quarterly means that n is equal to 4, and monthly means that n is equal to 12. So I am given that my initial principal is $2,000, and then I have 1 plus 0.165, you still have to be able to convert a percent to a decimal, over 2 to the 2t. Because this is semi-annual, n is 2. And I want to find the amount owed after 5 years, again, assuming that no payments are made, which is a bad way to conduct your business. And you could simplify this. You could make that 1.0825 to the 10. Whichever way is more comfortable for you when you're handling your calculator. You can simplify the formula in intermediate steps, but don't round anything in your intermediate steps. So if your simplification needs to be rounded, if it's a non-terminating decimal, that sort of thing, don't do that. Type in everything just like this using the correct order of operations. So 2,000 times 1.0825 to the 10 means that after, that's horrible. Oh, that's a horrible loan rate too. After 5 years, if I don't make any payments, I owe $4,018 and round to the nearest cent, 85 cents. And be sure that you round correctly, because you need to be able to round correctly, and it will tell you you're wrong if you don't.